I ate at a Vietnamese restaurant. I remember.
Where is that?
In Mega Mall. Po Huang.
And then, per
Social?
noodles.
You're talking to Ate Indy. Of course, it must be social.
Huang.
And then,
Nalimos pa ako sa labas para
Other.
nagmamahalan.
I come to the news.
Ate Id, meron ka na rin bang kuya?
Ay, naku. Naghihintay lang sila doon. Sabi ko nyo, balahin sa UP ko nga yung magkagulo-gulo.
Ate, they have come to PhD?
May postgrad pa yan sa Australia.
Diba?
Mag-return service muna ako.
Ah, may return service ka pa? Eh, di bayaran mo na lang.
Hindi, nakakaawa naman. Aping-api na nga yung lugar na yun eh.
Oo nga, no.
Pwede ba?
O hindi, yaman-yaman naman ang school mo, so famous.
Hindi ah. Main campus yun.
Ah, hindi ka ba sa main?
Hindi ako main campus. Nasa ano kami,
Mindanao State.
underserved, depressed. Ano ba yung DDU? Depressed. Philippines will borrow. It will be my honor if you will be my visitor. Kasi hodang kurakot ko or not. I will give you something. It is my honor that you visit me. I will give you something for I remember. Pero sasabihin nilang, borrow?
Popular.
Na hindi isinole?
The popular first lady.
Eh kung, you know what, when I buy something, especially if it's a blouse, if I like the design of the blouse, I buy 3 colors. Yan na kayang first lady? Stupid pa rin.
Princess nga pala ta. Nalata. Tubig.
Stupid din si Melda. Pero in all fairness, of all the presidents, hindi nila mapapantayan ang ginawa ng mga Marcoses. Kahit na kinamkam nila lahat ng pera. President. So, look at UP. We have an unfinished. I don't know what you call it, auditorium or something at the back of Animal Science. That's a project. That's a project of
Chancellor.
President Estrada. But because he was ousted, it was no longer continued. So it's again useless. How much money was used for that, and it came from our taxes.
Yeah.
So.
Pero I heard that,
Okay.
it's really going to be, Baker Hall will be transferred to that facility. Kasi,
dapat
Museum
lang.
of Natural History will be transferred to Baker.
Ay, that's good. Kasi kasi hindi nagagamit yung saka para ma-preserve yung yung building and all the mumus there.
Yeah, we have to preserve
Ghost.
the momos.
Momos. It's ghost.
Yeah.
The
ghost.
The Japanese ghosts that
Ghost.
you try to ghost.
She's not afraid. Si Ate Inzo, ubusin na ang panahon niya sa pag-aaral.
You look, it's very cute. I got confused to what you buy.
We'd like to see.
Just fresh water, not so expensive, but heartily given.
I also have, actually,
Okay, Ate Inz, I will surely invite you on my graduation.
Ano yan,
Kasi
Mindanao
small
pa?
song, when it's, when I, paano bang Englishin yung faction? When I turn on my CD and put that song on, I can't help it but dance at the parade and do gining.
Ate Inz.
Wala ako sa tono. Basta yun, I touch myself, I want to touch me, I love myself. Yun lang.
sino kumanta na
Divi Nils yata yan.
Diyos ko, baka panahon pa ni...
Hayaan nyo, bibigyan ko to ng kopya kasi may MP3 USB ako. Bibigay ko sa'yo, tapos bigay mo sa kanya.
Send na lang sa...
Nakakatuwa. It's a favorite song in my dorm, and whenever it is put on, everybody can't help it but dance. Yes.
around the poles.
Yes.
Sa giling-giling.
Gigiling talaga. Kanya-kanya kaming pwesto sa dingding. It's automatic when we put that on. It's automatic. All of us girls, when it is put on, everybody touches the wall.
The wall.
With the wall. Like that. Kasi there's no guy in my
Maybe
dorm.
Lizette can copy that.
Yeah.
Oh, I do that.
Dance with the chair, not the wall.
I have that scandal before. No, I had that scandal. She took a video of me.
Nang babastos.
Ayan kasi, ganun magsasalita.
Ayos ka nga, wala nga eh. Paksit yung mga lalaki.
Yung mga may asawa na rin yung mga ganyan.
Ay, nakuha, adult na tayo. Pwede ba?
Hoy, si Rayan, wag kang ganyan. Baka na-istanda lang.
Alin?
Kanina akala ko fact sheet.
Paksit. Paksit.
Pakset pala. Ano yung pangalan niya, impact?
May
Expression.
expression to say paksit.
Yes, pakset. What does it mean?
You know, in English, it's fact sheet.
Bad word, bad word.
Bad word, bad word. Yeah, fuck you. You do like that?
Yes. No, like that. Yes, American like it dead. But
No. Me like that. Fuck shit.
So,
Kuya na yan.
para mali. Para mali.
Uy, pa-virgin.
Hindi na virgin.
Discovery na sa'yo.
Uy, Pak is no longer a virgin. She has 2 sons.
How old?
Bigyan ang ano.
Naging interested eh, sons kasi.
Yun ang tamang cradle snatcher.
Pedophilia natin.
Oh, yes. Ooh, if I know the gays were telling me that they like, they prefer young boys because young boys are sweet. If you know what I mean.
Sinasabi yung gano'n.
I don't know what you mean.
Che! So, virgin effect. So, hindi mo bagay ni Seth, pwede pa.
Sweet. Ring.
Yeah.
Kaya in-research na ate sabihin.
Ayan mo na.
Mamaya, mag-internet yan.
Pinipili.
Pwede ba? I'm not telegenic, my gosh.
You're always beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice. I want the pearls.
Can I see your son?
Yeah, where are they? I just want to size them.
Ate, yun siguro ate nakainom eh.
My God, me, I don't need beer for me to go and talk. Ay, wala na.
Hindi yan iinom.
One time I drank. I got drunk, I mean. I cannot stop speaking in English.
Oh my God!
And you know what?
It's
One
worse.
time, it's Feb Fair. So I got drunk. I joined them. I even gave them money. Oh yes, let's buy drinks. It's a ladies drink, kaya nagustuhan ko. So when I stand up, I got dizzy. You know, I got tama already.
Amat.
Amat.
Kaamat ka
Then
na.
I went to the portable CR.
CR.
And then there's a lady on that line. And I can't help laughing. Laughing mood talaga. Tapos I keep on talking and laughing. And then I touched it. And then before she can answer, I really touched it.
You touched the boobs! It's so
You've got a very good, beautiful boobs. Wala na. She's just laughing at me. She knows that I'm not a thief.
But it's so you!
Ay, you know naman kasi. if a
Alam niya
person
na
is
kasi,
evil naman
I
ako.
cannot help it talaga. Yung sarap magdaldal.
Oo.
Giving me those
Dapat
drinks.
bagay para sa'yo yung mga guys na ano, parang
Yung mga palaban, eh.
Yan. Oo, kasi pag hindi pa laban, look what would happen.
siguro yung mga ano, Beethoven.
Ano yun? Aso yun ah. Loko to ah. Sino yata yung talagang kainin ng janitor fish?
Beethoven ding eh.
Oo nga.
Ano nga talaga niya masakpan.
Hey,
Flavia.
Okay.
message ko yan.
Tatanggapin ko. Bigay ko sa'yo.
Good luck. Nice food.
Happy birthday, Yan.
On December. One
Message.
voyage siyang.
Na.
Voyage, voyage.
Message. Message for yan.